Homeowners searching for bow windows Middleburg, Florida can find value in tailored upgrades that improve curb appeal, interior light, and daily comfort. In Middleburg, Florida, custom bow windows Middleburg projects are popular for opening up living rooms, front elevations, dining areas, and residential spaces with a wider view of the yard and neighborhood. From affordable bow windows Middleburg to premium bow windows in Middleburg, Clay County, local property owners often choose solutions that balance beauty, durability, and energy performance. Whether the goal is new bow windows Middleburg or full bow window home improvement near Lake Asbury, the right design adds dimension, style, and resale appeal. Bow window installation Middleburg services are ideal for homeowners who want a precise fit and polished finish from start to finish. Professional bow window installers. Clay County handle measurement, structural support, flashing, insulation, and weather protection for bow window installation in Middleburg, Florida with dependable workmanship. Many clients looking for bow window installers near Middleburg also ask about vinyl bow windows Middleburg because vinyl frames offer low maintenance, strong performance, and clean lines. For residential bow window services Middleburg, Florida, expert installation matters because a properly installed bow window improves comfort, prevents air leakage, and supports long-term performance in Florida conditions. Bow window replacement Middleburg projects are often the best choice when existing units are outdated, damaged, drafty, or no longer match the home's style. Homeowners seeking bow window replacement in Middleburg, Florida frequently replace aging wood or aluminum windows with Middleburg, Florida energy-saving bow windows that reduce heat transfer and improve efficiency. Replacement bow windows near Jacksonville, Florida are also in demand among families upgrading older homes in Clay County neighborhoods. From bow window exterior replacement to bow window interior finishing, a complete replacement service can modernize the appearance of the property while improving insulation, glass performance, and everyday usability. Energy-efficient bow windows Middleburg options are a smart investment for homes facing intense sun, humidity, and seasonal weather shifts in North Florida. Many buyers looking for energy-efficient bow windows in Clay County, Florida choose insulated glass, low-E coatings, and quality framing materials to help regulate indoor temperatures. These Middleburg, Florida energy-saving bow windows can reduce strain on HVAC systems while making rooms feel brighter and more comfortable year-round. Whether installed in homes near Black Creek, Lake Asbury, or throughout Middleburg neighborhoods, upgraded windows can deliver practical savings along with visual appeal, especially when paired with expert sealing, trim work, and professional installation. Local homeowners benefit from working with a Middleburg, Florida bow window company that understands area architecture, weather demands, and neighborhood preferences. Local bow window specialists in Middleburg often serve surrounding communities including Fleming Island, Orange Park, Doctors Inlet, Lake Asbury, Black Creek, and nearby Jacksonville area homes. If you need bow window contractors near Fleming Island or bow window estimates near Orange Park, Florida, choosing a nearby team can simplify scheduling, communication, and follow-up service. A company with experience in window renovation services in Middleburg, Florida can recommend the right products and installation methods for homes throughout Clay County and surrounding Florida communities. Bow window remodeling Middleburg services bring together style upgrades and structural improvements for homeowners who want a customized result. Home bow window remodeling in Middleburg, Florida may include expanding an opening, updating the frame, changing glass packages, or coordinating the new feature with siding, trim, and interior decor. Bow window renovation Middleburg projects often benefit from bow window design services Middleburg, especially when clients want a more dramatic front facade or a comfortable seating nook. From classic to contemporary homes, custom bow windows near Black Creek, Middleburg can be designed to complement architecture while increasing light, views, and living space. Bow window framing Middleburg work is one of the most important parts of a durable installation or replacement project. Contractors performing bow window frame replacement in Middleburg evaluate support, wall condition, moisture exposure, and proper load distribution to ensure the new unit is secure. This attention to detail matters for both new bow windows for homes in Middleburg, Florida and replacement projects across Clay County. Quality bow window contractors Middleburg also coordinate framing with insulation, sheathing, flashing, and finish carpentry so the final result looks seamless inside and out. Strong framing helps maintain window performance and protects the surrounding wall system over time. Bow window sealing Middleburg and finish services help protect the home from drafts, water intrusion, and premature wear. Homeowners often request bow window sealing services Middleburg Florida along with bow window trim work Middleburg and bow window trim and finish in Middleburg Florida to complete the appearance of the installation. These final details matter because they improve energy performance while giving the window a refined, built-in look. Bow window interior finishing can include trim, casing, stools, and paint-ready surfaces, while exterior work may include caulking, flashing, and cladding. Together, these services help make bow window upgrades in Middleburg neighborhoods both attractive and durable. Residential bow windows Middleburg remain one of the most attractive choices for homeowners wanting style, function, and local value in one upgrade. From bow window home improvement Middleburg to bow window exterior replacement, from bow window replacement Middleburg to full custom bow windows Middleburg, these projects can transform the look and feel of a house in Middleburg, Florida. With support from experienced bow window contractors Middleburg, homeowners can achieve better views, brighter interiors, and improved efficiency. For anyone considering bow windows Middleburg, Florida, the combination of expert design, skilled installation, and dependable local service makes the investment worthwhile across Middleburg and Greater Clay County.